Perspectives associated with an increase in the incidence of colorectal adenocarcinoma in Uganda, an advanced study. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This paper is a current review of work done on colorectal adenocarcinoma in Uganda, highlighting the perspectives associated with the increased rate of cases observed in our hospitals. Differences in tumor location compared to the Western world and the challenges encountered in obtaining an early diagnosis of CRC in Ugandan patients are also highlighted in this work. A steady increase of CRC in other sub-Saharan African countries is also currently being documented. However, this is associated with a higher CRC-associated morbidity and mortality. Reasons behind this increase may be the nutrition transition in sub-Saharan Africa, characterized by decreased consumption of dietary fiber, starch and plant proteins, to a Western diet associated with consumption of fatty foods and red meat. The emergence of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes and obesity, coupled with increased alcohol consumption and smoking, confers a higher risk to CRC. A shift in the demographics is observed in Uganda compared to high-income countries, with 22.8% of our CRC cases being diagnosed at less than 40 years of age compared to 3 to 7% in high-income countries. A challenge experienced with this early age onset is that it is associated with an aggressive biological behavior with a poor prognosis. The high proportion of left-sided colon and rectal adenocarcinoma in Uganda makes our population more amenable to screening. However, challenges experienced in Uganda and other sub-Saharan African countries include the availability of endoscopic training and equipment, costs, availability of pathologic services and patient acceptance. The increased diagnosis of CRC cases that will result from screening will eventually require a parallel increase in surgical and oncological infrastructure to manage CRC patients. An improvement in diagnosing, screening and treating CRC by increasing surgical and endoscopic capacity with the aid of international medical and surgical societies should be a public health priority in Uganda, given the observed epidemiological shifts. Future implementation of national screening programs to detect CRC at an early stage is also necessary to reduce the mortality in the Ugandan population. Introduction. Colorectal cancer (CRC), once thought to be rare in sub-Saharan Africa due to traditional high-fiber diets, is now on the rise in the region. While high-income countries have seen a decrease in CRC cases, many low- and middle-income countries, including those in Africa, are experiencing an increase. In Uganda, for example, cancer registry data shows that CRC rates have steadily grown over the years for both men and women. Other countries like Kenya have also seen sharp increases in CRC cases, with some studies showing nearly 3 times more cases over a 12-year period. From 1990 to 2017, East African countries such as Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, and Eritrea have all experienced notable percentage increases in the rate of CRC. These trends highlight a growing health concern in the region and suggest a need for greater awareness, early detection, and prevention strategies to manage the rising burden of this disease. Conclusions. Colorectal cancer (CRC) is becoming more common in Uganda, reflecting a wider trend seen across sub-Saharan Africa. Despite this rise, there are still major gaps in diagnosing, screening, and treating the disease. Unlike high-income countries, where early detection and advanced treatments are more available, Uganda lacks the necessary surgical, endoscopic, and cancer care infrastructure. This results in high death rates, even if the number of new cases is lower. To save more lives, Uganda needs to expand its healthcare services for CRC and consider national screening programs to catch the disease early. Support from wealthier countries, such as sharing equipment and expertise, could make a big difference. Although tracking the true scale of CRC in Uganda is difficult, hospitals are seeing more cases, which matches trends in other African nations. This situation is important not just for Uganda, but for the whole region and the global health community. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.